Hey, what's up? This is me again, Kuya Wing, and welcome to Wing TV Official. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated for my next video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch party. Okay, so let's start. In creating a watch party, it is just like you're creating a post in Facebook. You just simply tap the what's on your mind there, and there you have it. You can create now your post, and then you have to scroll down and look for the watch party icon and then click it. Okay, so from here you can see the videos you can add to your watch party, so you can choose more than one video. So here you can see the videos you already watch and the save videos to your account, the live videos, the suggested videos, and of course the playlist. So here you can also search for the videos you want to add to your watch party. So above is the search bar, and you can search anything you want. So in creating a watch party, you just simply tap the video, for example this one, and then if you're done, just click the done icon over there. From here you can set your audience. You can change who do you want to see your watch party, and then you can also write a description about your watch party, and then if you're done, click post, and there you have it. You have now your watch party.